Welcome everybody. Here I'm Anna, and I'm going to present live with broadcasted by Adiga TV Show. Do you remember the two girls, Yasmeen and Haneen, that I've presented like 2 months ago? They went to Kilimanjaro to play their match. Well, today I have a big challenge. They're here and they're going to give us some feedback about how it's going. And of course, don't forget to submit your questions by using the live chat that you can find in YouTube channel. Welcome back to Jordan, first of all.
Thank you.
You made it.
Yeah.
So this evening, of course, I would like to ask you some questions and also to have a chat with you about how is it going and how was the match and everything. So I will start like asking you the first question, and then you feel free to answer and to tell us everything. How was the feeling during the trip? How did you feel like when you were in the plane and you realized that, oh my gosh, I have to go to Tanzania and play this match?
Well, at first we would like to thank you so much for having us and for being always supporting us. And from the beginning, you were the first people to support us and to believe in us and to give us the push that we needed. So thank you so much for having us, and now to hear from us our experience and how was it. So yeah. And answer.
So do you want to start with the crying part or the smiling or?
We want to know everything.
Actually, I believe this is the most challenging experience Yasmeen and I had, and every girl were in the team we had. We had so much emotional over the mountain. It started like 9 days of new stuff, new things in our life. We started from trekking to the summit night to the match day. It all was like challenging. It's all like to forget about the coldness, the tiredness, to go after what you want, to go after what you believe. We're here to holding a message, to receive it for people. So we cried a lot. We hugged a lot. Yeah, we felt like it was just like we create our new family in the mountain, and we've done like, we had the new record, Guinness World record for the highest altitude football match ever. And we got back home.
Yes, and this is like a resume of all of your emotions. Okay. But what was it like your first impression when you just landed and said, okay, we are in Africa?
I was really in shock. I was like, wow, we are now in Tanzania. Yeah, it's happening. It's happening. Like everything we planned before, and all these months and trainings and stuff that we've planned and trained for,
finally.
It's happening now. Yeah, we're now in Tanzania. So there's no going back. There's just, you have to focus on your aim, just to focus on the mountain. And the best part for me was to meet all those amazing players and girls who we were best friends on WhatsApp, but meeting them face to face, it was like, wow, this is happening. We're now face to face. We're now one team. We're doing this together. So it was really amazing, and the whole new experience for both of us. Like, we're the youngest on the team, so it was like we're like the babies, let's say, on the team. Yeah, they're all like in the 30s, and me and Haneen just 22. So it was like, you have to take care of us, and yeah, it was really.
So you landed to Dar es Salaam, and then you went by bus?
No, Arusha.
Yeah.
We started in Arusha, then we stayed like 2 days for everyone just came from all around the world, literally. And we just like had our pre-matching, pre-match with the Tanzanian team, national team.
Okay.
And then we started to climb the mountain. Like, it took from us 9 days, 7 ups. 7 we went up, and 2 days to get down.
And how was the hiking to reach the place? I mean,
wow.
after your train, you said like
It's
last
just like
episode it was like, okay, we're going to train ourselves and blah blah blah, but then like being there and say, okay,
Yeah, see, the first day was like, because we were all excited and we just want to start this, we want to smash this mountain, so we were like super excited, so we didn't feel like we're tired or stuff like that. So the first day was a good, we can say it was a good and a fun day, but the second day and the third day and the fourth day and the fifth day and all the days, they were like really tired. We were really tired. The coldness, يعني, I've never been cold in my life, but this much, yeah, it's really cold, and we have to walk like for 6 hours to reach our next camp, and then after we reach our camp, we have to take lunch or to eat lunch, and after that, we have to also walk for an hour to acclimatize ourselves, and then go back down and the camp, sit together, and then like we have to sleep at 8 or at 9, so we can wake up, the next day at 6 in the morning. So it was really tiring.
it just was like the first question I've been asking for myself in the first day. Is that really happening? Like our 6 months of preparing and finally paid off, that it is really happening. So it's just like, do you know the feeling with excitement and like shocking and what's happening over here? It's just like you want to meet everyone, you want to talk to everyone, and you just want to go for the experience and live it at every small moment of it.
Yeah.
definitely.
So yeah.
Definitely. I think it was like a huge experience for you, but also like how was like the team and
Spread.
all the girls around you? You said that you were like 2 girls, the 2 youngest girls.
Yeah.
So how was like the atmosphere among the participants?
So for me, that was the best part, because we're like a team of 60, and it was the best part because we are all from different countries, but we're all here for the same, let's say, goal or
Aim.
aim. So it was really amazing to have all these amazing ladies from different backgrounds, different languages, different colors and countries, and so it was really amazing to have all of us together at the same mountain, just learning about it, chatting to each other. يعني, it was really amazing, because also when يعني, the teamwork, you can feel the teamwork, you can feel the team spirit, pushing each other for the limit, for the goal. So it was really amazing, because when we can مثلا, see a girl that she is tired, she don't want to continue, she's not feeling good, we just go to her, we talk to her, we just take her hand, pull her up, and let's go, let's do this. We are all here together to make this happen. So come on, we're not going back. None of us is going back. So we have to do this.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
This is like the spirit of
Exactly.
like hiking and going to the mountains. So it's
Exactly.
like you just explained perfectly what happened. Like usually also when you are like going to hiking and with like lots of people taking care of each other and. But what about the day? I mean, the day that you woke up and said, okay, this is...
The night.
Night?
The night, summit
Really?
night,
Yeah.
We started
So-
like 3 a.m. in the morning,
Uh-huh.
and the temperature was minus
14.
minus
14.
No
We're
way.
like, no, this is not gonna happen. Yeah.
And you're just going in the dark and going only up. And when you finish, you think you finished, you're gonna find another huge
yeah.
So we just kept, I think the moments or the period of time when Yasmeen and I we were so close to just give up. It was like the hardest thing we've ever done. You can't feel your body, you can't feel anything in actually any part of your body. You just, everything freezed on you, and your body gave up from the very early moments, but your mind was keep it going and moving on.
It was really cold. The only thing that I remember is the cold. I was like I was wearing 8 layers of clothes, and I was
for before that.
Coming back in a few minutes.
Because I can. I believe.
Hi, here we are again, and I would like to ask you other few questions. The first one is, what was the first impression when you just landed to Amman airport? So when you're coming back and said, okay, we've done, we got it, and now we're here. I was like, take me back.
Take me back. I want to
No,
go
it's
back
just
to
like-
Tanzania. Yeah.
Okay, if you go to the good reason or for the bright side, we were so tired. We had more than 20 hours of flying. But seeing all of our friends and families and supporters waiting for us and just
Wow.
just clapping for us, it was felt like we want to cry again actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like seeing when you see what you've been doing, it's finally paid off, and you see you got support from people, the beloved one, and that just feels great.
But then you start realizing after few days, or did you realize what you've made immediately?
Actually, that started on the mountain because we just on social media we got a lot of support, and the most important one we got from Prince Ali and Princess Haya. They were very supportive of us. They just keep posting on social media, and that was super enough just to give us the push we need all the time. like for the mountain, during the mountain, and after the mountain, and actually even when we came back.
I needed like a week to
realize that is real.
Was done, and we did everything, and now we're back to Jordan, and so it took me a week like to realize.
Of course, I can think so. And okay, talking about Jordan, what are your future plan here in Jordan? Your other challenges that you have planned, and what's next? I mean,
it's not only for us; it's for the whole project, for the equal playing field.
So we climbed the mountain. We played the highest altitude football match ever played. So me and Haneen, we were like, we don't want to stop. We don't want this to end. We want to keep on doing challenges. We want to keep on breaking Guinness World Records. So we were like, me and Haneen, why not to play the lowest altitude football match ever played? Because Dead Sea in Jordan.
Of course,
so
that's
the lowest point in air.
That's a brilliant
We
idea.
told them about this, and they were super excited, and they're now working on a proposal to send to Prince Ali. And Prince Ali also called us, me and Haneen. He just called us on the phone, and he wanted to know more about the Dead Sea. He's super excited and supporting us to play in Dead Sea, the lowest altitude football match.
And actually, as well, Jordan Football Association is helping us as well. Like we just want to make it happen. Like if we're gonna make it happen next year, it's gonna be so challenging, and
it's gonna be organized by me and Haneen. So
it would be great.
Yeah,
so you have like double challenge.
Yeah,
and also
organizing.
Yeah,
that's amazing. Yeah, and okay, I would like to ask you like last question. How do you feel, of course, like having reached this gold and being part of the Guinness World Record? I mean, it's nothing about like power, it's like something about that you create, you've made it, and it's really amazing what you've done also, because you proved to yourself and to everyone that girls coming from different parts of the world can do everything and can also hiking actually the Kilimanjaro and play this match. So what's for you from your side?
For me, it's just like when we finished all this, I took the breath out. And when I realized that our job hasn't stopped here, hasn't finished here, I took another breath in, and I say we're not done here. We still have so much to do. We're still full of passion and love of the game, and we still have many responsibilities and many stuff. And that's a great thing, because like going after what you love and going after what you wanna, we wanna make a change in the world, like in the countries and all over the world.
Okay, and talking about this, planning to have like clinic also here, right?
Yeah, we're gonna lucky we're gonna have 3 clinics in Amman and in Zaatari and Azraq. It's gonna be like in the next 6 months, let's say. It's just like about 3 to 5 days, as Yasmeen explained earlier. It's just like about women empowerment to promote women football. It's about health and education, and we're gonna have like girls 50 to 75 each time in every class. Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
So we're waiting here and just
Sure.
to provide us feedback also on this challenge, and of course like the one in that sea. I really want to thank you, and good luck for everything.
Thank you so
it's
much.
really a pleasure to have you here every single time. Thank you also to Ahmad Ai for the music, and to Circation Association that supports us. And don't forget to follow Adiga TV show on Snapchat, Instagram, and also YouTube.